Hi traders, today we're going to talk about how to trade supply and demand on a 5 minutes time frame, which is the lower time frame. The reason why I like to trade the lower time frame, especially the 5 minutes, is because I'm a scalper and also a day trader. I jump into the market when the market presents an opportunity for me, and I take what the market presents to me. So no more long stream hours every day, spending the whole time on the chart. All I need is just 15 to 30 minutes on the chart to make some profit. Another reason is when you are looking for a high probability trade, you can't find high probability trade on the higher time frame every day, but you can get a good opportunity on the lower time frame at trades. You can be able to cut 20, 10, 15, 30 pips within a short period of time, which is very good. So, for the lower time frame, like 5 minutes, will always present you with a clean supply and demand zone setup every season, every day. Let me quickly go to the chart. You can see when looking for supply and demand zone in the market, you have to look for area of the big move. Like, you have to look for the momentum in the market from the previous key levels. You can see the market drop down and rally up with clean momentum before dropping again. So that's a good setup for supply and demand. So basically, I always look for momentum in the market, which is the big move. Then you have to identify the previous key level in the market where the big move are being made. Don't ever jump into a consolidation. Wait for the key levels to be respected according to the trading model. So after marking the supply and demand key levels on the chart, you wait for a retest to the zone for more confirmation. You wait for the market to come back to the zone. Then you can place your stop loss below or above the supply zone. That's how to trade supply and demand. Okay, this is another example. So basically, in a bearish market, you wait for a market to move to your supply zone and respect the key levels and push down before you enter the market. Then you can place your stop loss above the supply zone. You can see. So basically, for you to be able to get more confirmation when you are trading supply and demand, another way for you to trade supply and demand is you look for the previous day high or the previous day low and wait for the break from the key levels. Then you wait for the reversal, which is a retest to the supply zone before you sell. So this is another good example. You can see the clean delivery in price action. So as you all know, I'm a price action trader. I don't trade with indicators or whatever. I trade price action. So trading supply and demand in a 5 minute time frame has helped me develop consistency in my trading. Yeah. It doesn't just get like that. You have to back test. Like, you have to back test in a row of hours, morning and night, back testing what's working for you. That's the only way for you to be a consistent trader. You don't just find a strategy, that works like that. You have to go through it over and over again. For some 5 minutes, you can be able to see clean the clean delivery in price from the previous key level. So let me quickly show you more example. So right here is another supply level in the market from the previous days. Okay, I think I took this trade. I took the trade and it was okay. Let me quickly show you the supply level below. So you can see you can even get error of opportunities in the market. You just need to go in and out of the market, not spending the whole time on the market looking to get 50, 100, 200 pips in a day. That's the reality, but it doesn't work that way. It doesn't work always. With scalping, supply and demand zone, you can be able to develop consistency constantly in the market. And that's all you need. That's all you need to be a profitable trader. You don't need to spend the whole day on the chart trading. That's another clean delivery in price from the supply level down below. And that's actually a market shift in structure. So I don't know. Most of you guys might not know how to trade market structure shifts. So let's keep it for the next topic. So there's a whole lot of opportunities in the market, trading supply and demand levels. All you need to do is to find the key levels from the previous market, either from the previous day high or the previous day low. So let me quickly show you guys a crane delivery from a demand zone. So you can see, in a demand zone, you buy, you wait for the market to retest and come back to the key level before you buy. So in a demand zone, you don't sell, you buy, you look for a buying opportunity. There's a whole row of opportunities in the market. So you have to wait for the market to present you with the right opportunity before you execute. Execution is very important in trading. That's why I don't run analysis or on the whole indicators on the chart. No, I don't do that. Execution is very important. When I go on the chart, all I need is just 20 to 30 minutes for me to take what the market presents to me. Win or loss is still part of the game. So you have to have the long term version mind. That's the only way for you to succeed in trading. Think in probability. You have to think in probability. This is a game of probability. You don't just jump into the market and expect to get 100 pips, 50 pips, just like that. No. Find what works for you and leave the whole noise for the market. So let me quickly show you. I think I took this trade last week. This is another good example of supply and demand. So you can see in a demand zone, after marking the demand level, that is your key level, you have to wait for a retest to the zone for more confirmation. You don't just jump into the chart. You have to wait for confirmation. Then before you execute. There's a whole lot of way to trade supply and demand, but I think this is the best. This is the best. Trading supply and demand on a lower time frame. You can never go wrong with it. You can never go wrong with it. You just have to do the right thing and keep practicing. With time, you will get better. So trading is all about consistency. For you to be a profitable trader, you have to sacrifice years practicing. So you don't just jump into the chart and become a profitable trader. It doesn't work that way. So basically, you have to understand that Q zone is another important thing when trading supply and demand. But we're gonna talk about that maybe in my next video. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If so, you hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you. Have a wonderful time.